Welcome to CATS Tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing practice problem 12.7. We are asked to find the line current of a 30 kilowatt three-phase motor which has a power factor of 0.85 lagging, and it is connected to a line voltage of 440 volts. So asked to find the line current. So we know that power factor is equal to cosine theta, which is also equals to average power divided by the parent power. So actually given the average power in the question, and there's a formula for the parent power which you can actually manipulate to find whatever we're looking for. So let's take this formula over here and say P divided by that. We know that the parent power is equal to the square root of VL IL, and if you look here, we have the variable which you're actually looking for, which is our line current. So we're just going to take this to this point. We're just going to substitute it there. And doing so is going to lead to a power factor. Our power factor is 0.85, which we got in the question. So, and also this, so let's just quickly substitute everything. So we have 30 kilowatts as our real or average power. So 30 kilowatts at the top. Then at the bottom, I'm going to substitute this as of here, which is square root of 3 VL, and we have a line voltage of 440 volts given to us in the question. Then we have this unknown IL, and on this side, all of this equates to our power factor of 0.85. So you can just rearrange this formula to say IL is equal to 30K divided by square root of 3 multiplied by 440 multiplied by your power factor. And all you have to do is just put this into your calculator, and the answer we should get for your line current should be 46.31 amperes. And that is how you basically solve this problem. If you like this video, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.